Hello everybody, it's Jake here from Diamond Exterior Cleaning and welcome back to the channel. Today you join me on a glorious day in an absolutely gorgeous property just north of London here in England. And when I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous, and you will see that from the before photos. But just look at what we're working with today. There is patterns everywhere. We've got traditional York stone that's just got moss all in the grooves. We've got regular concrete pathways that are going to come up absolutely beautifully. And I think we're going to go through quite a lot of chemical because everything is absolutely riddled in black spots and white spots. I can't wait to get started on this clean, honestly. I feel like on the channel recently we've just had pretty standard cleans over the last couple of months, nothing too crazy. They've all been enjoyable, but this is next level, and yeah, I really can't wait for the result. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So I'll get everything ready, I'll get things started, and yeah, we'll get cracking with the cleaning. I just want to say a big thank you to the customer of this clean actually. He watches the channel, so that is so cool to have a watcher of the channel trust me so much, or trust me enough just from watching these videos to come and get me to clean their house. So yeah, thank you very much. But I can't wait, so I'm going to get everything ready, get started and get cleaning and see how beautiful this turns out. Thank you for coming along with me on the video. I'll catch up with you later on. Cheers. Take a look at that, guys. What do you think? The colours are absolutely popping, so vibrant. The yellows and the reds, really cool. This top concrete area has come up really well. Obviously lots of rinsing down to do, and then this is actually a different material. So this is a flagstone. It's a very old stone, and as you can see, it holds the black spots really well. So there's going to be a lot of chemical needed on that material. Also on the stairs, a bit fragile, going to have to go a bit careful on that. A lot of this surface is really old, so just, even though I'm using the turbo nozzle to get all of that moss out, I'm trying my best not to concentrate any pressure in one zone for too long, just to avoid any damage. But yeah, I'm going to finish up these incredible stairs and then make my way down to where the pressure washer is now, which I'll move that out of the way. But there's a little section down there, and then we just go into different areas of the garden. There's just more and more, and it's awesome. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you are enjoying it, please make sure to subscribe, because I do videos like this every 2 weeks. And like it if you like it. Tell all your friends, and I will catch you just after this bit of the cleaning. Cheers. Right guys, I've just been tidying up and sweeping all the muck away from today, and I was just about to call it a day. It's just gone 3 o'clock, so I've been here for quite a while and I've been baking out here in the sun. I've been enjoying every minute of it. I was just about to pack away and I came across this area here, this big seating area, which I didn't notice at the start, and it's got a lot of moss, a lot of muck everywhere. And initially I don't think I was supposed to clean this, but I can't leave without giving this a go. Look, it's a cool grill area, but they have awesome barbecues out here in the summer. So yeah, well, saying that, it doesn't look like they've had one in a while. Maybe it's because it's dirty, but I'm gonna crack on with that to finish the video off today. There is still a lot more to do here, so you'll be treated to a second part, which is quite cool. We've got this whole swimming pool area, which I think is going to be amazing. Still to clean, but I'm going to pop the camera away. I'm going to work quite fast on this last section because, like I said, the day's kind of dragging on a bit for me. I'm getting quite tired. Yeah, the heat will do that to you, won't it? But I'm really happy with what we've managed to do so far. And we'll get that little area over there done and head home for the day. But I hope you're enjoying it. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to keep your eyes peeled for part 2, and I'll catch up with you right at the end, just briefly, when I get that section done and we can marvel at what we've done today. Yeah, awesome. Catch up with you in a bit. That is some of the deepest muck that I've ever seen at a job, and that's not even all of it. I've got another just slightly smaller pile over there. So I thought I was going to get this area done today, and I put all that pre-treatment down thinking it was going to help me out, and all it did really was soften up that moss and make it really easy to remove. But there's so much of it that needs to go. So what I'm going to do is, I'm obviously back here tomorrow anyway to finish off the huge rest of this beautiful property. What I will do is I'm going to leave all this slop to dry, and then I will scoop that away. So you'll see that just after I'm filming this, you'll see me scooping that up when it's all dry, because there's no point me picking that up while it's all wet. It weighs an absolute ton. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, I'm going to end it here. Usually I give a word that I like people to put in the comment section down below if they've made it this far. Now, the obvious one is swimming pool, but I'm not going to go for swimming pool because I need that for when I clean that area. So if you've made it this far in the video and you've dealt with this incessant waffling, put down in the comment section for me barbecue. You can put BBQ, you can put barbecue spelt however you like, I'm not too fussy, or you can put grill, whatever you really fancy. But put something like that for this wicked little barbecue area. But I'm absolutely shattered. I just don't think I can continue with all of this. So I'm going to end the video just after I pick all the muck up, give you the after shots, the after photos, and then I'll see you in a couple of weeks' time where I come back and I finish off this absolutely epic swimming pool area. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.